Ladies and gentlemen, I am live coming to you from David's studio, as you may know. Obviously, if you're a part of the DNA family, you're getting this mailer from us, okay? Let's talk about tax time. It is tax time. 2020 was a rough year for everyone, and let's just talk about it. It's never too early to begin preparing for your tax season. Take some time this month because you won't have to stress come April. Okay, each year there are a few tax changes to the policy that you'll want to be aware of. As always, if there's anything we can help you with, you can always reach out to us directly, and let's get into it. So, let's see. Save time with the tax pro. Hiring a pro could make a lot of sense depending on your situation. Here are a few important instances when you might consider going with a pro. Now, I didn't have a professional tax person for a long time, a CPA, and as you think about it, as our business grew and became a lot bigger, you have to pay professionals well because that's what they do, so you don't have to worry about it. I know there are things like individual tax account, maybe platforms where you could do it yourself, and that's all fine and dandy, but at some point you want to hire somebody to be able to take care of the business for you. And if you need somebody who's good, give us a call and we'll connect you with somebody who's good. Okay, so the reason you might want to hire somebody is you have a lot on your plate, right? You have a lot going on, so just let them handle it. You hold multiple jobs, okay? If you have several side hustles, you may want to consider using a professional to keep everything straight. You recently purchased a home, right? So just let them deal with that. Home purchases bring a new set of tax circumstances. If you're unsure of where to begin, a tax preparer can help assess your situation. You have a large investment portfolio. Stocks and other investments can get tricky. A tax professional will make sure all your ducks are in a row. And I just want to be clear, I used to not have a professional for a long time and try to do stuff myself, and let me tell you, it became a real headache. So just make sure you hire somebody. If you need a great professional, call me for a trusted referral who will take care of you just like our team would take care of you. Now, standard deduction increased slightly. Filing status in 2019 versus 2020. Single would be $12,200. In 2020, $12,400. Okay, married filing jointly, it went from $24,400 to $24,800, and head of household, it went from $18,350 to $18,650. Retirement contribution for tax year 2020. Individual contributions are unchanged for 401ks and individual retirement account IRAs. Okay, just take a look at that. So under the age of 50 for 401k, $19,500. Over the age of 50, $26,000, and for IRAs, $6,000, and over the age of 50, $7,000. No tax on stimulus checks. That's good news, right? For those of us who got stimulus checks. The payments many Americans received in 2020 under the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, CARES Act, $1,200 for singles, $2,400 for couples, and filing jointly, was an advanced distribution of 2020 tax credit and will not be taxed. Okay, so use the money for whatever you deem appropriate to help you in your life. Important dates in 2021. We know April's coming up. Right now, we are in February, March, April. So it's right around the corner. Deadline to file your taxes or request an extension is April 15th. Let's be proactive. And last day to file a tax return, if you received an extension from the IRS, is October 15th. Retirement tax restrictions ease up. Qualified individuals who had to tap into retirement accounts early in 2020 because of COVID-19 pandemic are getting a break. Do you want to know what the break is? I think I'm going to tell you. More time to pay back early withdrawals without being taxed. No income tax required on money borrowed from 401k if paid back in 5 years, and 10% penalty waived for early IRA and 401k withdrawals. As always, my name is Dave with DNA Realty Group. If you know someone who would appreciate the level of service that me and my team provide, make sure you send me their name, phone number, and email, and we'll make sure to take care of them the way we take care of all our clients and our family, which I call the DNA family. You are an extension of our family. We will do what we have to do to make sure your life is better. And I hope you all have a great day. If you want to get on the list, send us your email and your phone number and your contact info, and we'll get you into the DNA Family Insider account. I hope you all have an amazing day.